first question is, what is my experience on providing invoicing services to the clients? Today or in the previous years, I have provided invoicing services to medical institutions, what you call medical billing. Before that, I was also providing a full-time invoicing to healthcare industry in USA. There were two firms that I was doing a weekly invoicing for them to their clients using their own accounting software, that was QuickBooks. They used to share the hours log that was spent on each client by their team members, and based on that, I used to invoice the clients and send the reminders to clients if they don't pay the invoices on time. Now, coming to your second question about my experience on accounting software. So yes, as I told you that I have a working experience of around 10 plus years. To be specific, it's around 12 years. During these 12 years, I have worked on almost all the non-accounting software. Besides that, I am also NetSuite, Oracle, and SAP functional consultant. So you know that a functional consultant has a edge that he can understand the new softwares or other software which he hasn't worked on much easily as compared to the ones that he has. Coming to the next question about the accuracy and attention to details. So by education, I am an accountant, okay, and by my previous job role, I also used to provide services to clients for the software implementation and business process re-engineering. My focus is always I follow the business process. For example, if sale has to incur, it must be through any previous contract. The contract need to be observed that okay, we are following the rate that's been agreed, the number of hours what we have agreed. After that, obviously, after those, the supporting documents are required. So like for example, if we have to bill any clients for the hours, so for us we need to support that with the number of hours that our team worked on that client, that we can take from the payroll journals or things like that. Your next question, that am I available for long-term work? Yes, I am available for long-term work, but that specifically depends that how much hours you want me to work. My first priority is always to have a longer relation, because the clients who are not confident, or the freelancers who are not confident about their work, they only prefer one-time job. But you can see my profile, my reviews, that I am working with the clients for about 4 years consecutively. For the US time zones, yes, I am available. If you want me to be there in US time zone, I can do that. Alternately, my normal preferences are that I work in my time zone, and if I need to ask any question to the client, then I spare that time for that thing, so that when the client wakes up in his daytime, the work is already completed. Only the things that are left are questionable or need to be confirmed. Thank you.